Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. In today's lesson, we will learn about the basic of Fusion in DaVinci Resolve 19. Fusion is just like a After Effect in Premiere Pro in Adobe Creative Suite, but the Fusion is more intuitive and very easy to use. But once you understand the basic of nodes, most of people are afraid just because of nodes in DaVinci Resolve in Fusion, but it's not like this. Because we haven't actually the real video about the real original tutorials, more intuitive tutorial on YouTube. Most of YouTube creators are those who are professional come to YouTube for their promotion, their friend, and their main motto is to upload just a few videos, and from those videos gather audiences and move those audiences to their paid course. The paid course is very costly. I searched a lot when I was learning. I hadn't money. I just started video editing. Later, I studied a lot. I learned. Now I can say that the Fusion is a very easy. Just we have very few video on YouTube, like very intuitive video tutorial there, and that's why we can't learn. Please subscribe these channels for more tutorials, and we will add in this series a lots of things in coming days, and you will learn a lots of things from this series. This series has been designed for beginners to advanced users, actually, dear friends. In this series, we will cover all the most. In today's lesson, we will cover all the basic points of the Fusions. We are now in the edit tabs. We have all the class playlist about how to edit in the DaVinci Resolve edit tab and how to use cut tab here. And this is actually, you see here, this is a Fusion tab here. How we can move to Fusion. The best easiest way to move to Fusion is just drag a clip. You see, we have several clips here. Here you see this clip. We just drag this clip. You see, we have this clip. I have taken this from Pixabay, and we will drag here, and now this beautiful pirate is here. Or the easiest way to move to our Fusion tab is just place your playhead anywhere on your clip and open here. You see, click here, Fusion. This is actually Fusion page. Actually, this is Fusion tab. This is Fusion tab. When you open, you see two nodes actually here. This is media in and media out. You have to understand what's media in and media out. Actually, media in is our video, which this is pirate we have just imported. Yeah, and this is actually media out, where we will all type of effect we will add between these two nodes, and these effect will appear here, which will be our output. It means it will be our result. Here it's a media in, and you see here there are 2 points here, and when you click this point, here in this video in this window it will appear. Actually, these are two window for our for separate same work. You can see result here, and you can see the input here. Otherwise, you can see the same things from click here. You can see a result here from here, and here you can see the input here, media. You can exchange. Actually, I use like this one. I will click one here, and I unclick here. Here I will see the output here. Input here, I will see the output here, and you can use only single. You see, you can use single if you don't want, but sometimes I use double. Some effect I see here. Actually, for this purpose, it's a we use. The shortcut is one for this point. You see, one you will unclick, one click. And the same way you come here, you here you can unclick. You see one, two. I'm clicking two. I will use. Actually, this is the work of these 2 points. You know, we have understood this is the media in and this is the media out. You see, when we unclick this chain, when we unclick, nothing is visible, because we have just lost the connection. Actually, this is actually connecting point. This is a chain. This is connecting two sides of a river, actually, dear friend. This is like breeze. You see, we click, we connect the breeze, one side of river to the other side. It's work like breeze, and it's a connecting. Actually, it's the thing in After Effects. You have layer, so there you have only land, but here we have breeze. Actually, between two sides of land, this river crosses. Actually, this is the understanding in the basic understanding, dear friend. We just click here 1.1, because I want to see here in result here, and here we have media out, and you can anytime disconnect here. When you want, you can disconnect here. No, I want to connect here, and you see here main point. Now, actually, we have several type of nodes we have to connect between. Actually, this is also not media in and media out. You see here, this is the basic background. This actually these are the effects which we will use. Same in the After Effect. Actually, their layer and understanding is the same here. Also, it's just node is just like a layer, dear friend. This is also layer. You listen this class till then you will understand what's this layer. Is same like layer. How does it work? And you see background. We have here past noise. This text. If you want to add text, you see pen. This is a color connector. This is a color. Here you see brightness. This is a blur. Actually, these effects we can directly use between the clip here. Actually, here see, I want to take this text. For example, I want to write. I will just click and click shift. Shift click, you see this green line has appeared, just release it. You see now it has connected. So you see once it has connected, text actually connected, like here you see merge between, automatically merge has appeared. Actually what this is merge to, it's the merge node. Merge node means it's actually working as these two chains to merge. Merge means this text when we will write here, it will merge here. No, because we have no text here, because we haven't typed anything. We write our channel resolve for you. You see, now we have text has appeared. When you click here, this is our background. This is a merge effect here. You can, this is media out. You will see nothing in media out. This is just because here all output will appear here. No text. We can increase the size here, like you see here, like in this way. And from here you can change color, because we are learning basic, so we are just covering basic, not very difficult for you. And from this is all like tracking, like all like the basic text actually here. And now we just drag here. We can put anywhere. See, now this is the first we can work in a fusion tab. Now we come to our video here. You see, it's now appeared here. You see here appear. Actually, this is the very simple, not very simple. We have added here. Now, in the same way, we can add, like here. You see, we have a color effect here, brightness. You can add from here, fast noise, background, text, paint, color corrector. If you want to change the color of this video, very simply we will just drag and add shift here and put anywhere. You see, now we have added this color here. We can change the color from here anyway. You see, in this way. You see, like in this way, you can give the beautiful effect to this pirate. You see, now we see. Even you can add here a keyframing, like various type of saturation, contrast, gain, lift, gamma. You can just try one by one. You will understand, like in this way. You can make very beautiful color grading inside this with the help of this node. When we come to our edit tab, you see, we have appeared this see this footage here, like with the help of this, with the help of this nodes, we have achieved this result here, dear friend. We just click here, we can make change here, and change from here various type of, in this way it's connected. Once you disconnect here, you see I am disconnecting. Now I am connecting here only this merge to it. See, now this disappeared because it is not connected here. Again, you want to connect, you can, like in this way, disconnect this chain, and you will drag very easily. You can drag here, and you have to add like this connection. We have connected, and I will connect this to here. Now this you see color grading we have done in Fusion. Actually, we can do little color correction in this way using various this keyframing. If you know our last class, in last tutorial in the playlist, go and see. You can see how we can add such type of color correction here. Really, this is the work of this. Once I show you, we just remove these nodes. Actually, these are the effect nodes. Node. Now we just click here, and I want to this add blur. You see blur. We will click here. Just drag shift, you have to click shift. Actually, you have to click shift, and when you drag, it will automatically, it will connect here. Now you can add here blur. You see blur size, you can add like this. See here, you can actually start keyframing from here. So we have less time here, we will add keyframing here. When our video will be here, you see here, it will be 0. And but when it will here come here, we will add blur size, we will make it bigger, like in this. When our video will be here, we will add keyframing here. You see this diamond point, you just drag here blur size, you can decrease. And now we come to our timeline. You see here, we have added blur, and we play the video here. You will see this. You see now we have blur effect. Actually, we have added this infusion. This actually direct infusion. Here we have used keyframing. With the use of keyframing in Fusion, actually this is the basic of this Fusion tutorials. So in this tutorial today, we learned about how we can add text here, and this is actually merge here. This is, you see, merge. It means it connects effect to the media in and media out. You see, actually it's the work of merge, and you can in the merge rotate, like actually directly in the merge you can change anything. You see here, like this. You can add rotate. You see apply mode. It will we learn in the we learned in advance. You see it has actually disappeared in the advanced classes. We will learn more about this, actually what's the work of this. So dear friend, today we learned about the basics here, how to add this text, how we can add this what's the media in and media out. How you can add blur, and you can add text. There is other way to connect, switch to our Fusion is a very easy way. I open the new timeline, just click here on the open anywhere. You see here, we click here, a new Fusion. We new Fusion composition, we write our trial class. trial class 1, and you click here, you see fusion create. Now we have created a fusion composition actually. We last time we drag video here and we created, but we have just a trial class, and we will click here, and you see here you have to come open in fusion page. You can actually open from here, otherwise fusion page, otherwise you can drag from here. You see here you will drag, and you have to come here, and you have to come to fusion page. You see media out is here. Once again I show you, just I return. Here actually in this way you can open, and the second way is just I have fusion, we have created trial class. Here we will come here, and open in fusion page, just click here. It's directly we have opened to fusion tab here. We have come here. Now you see last time we had media in and media out, but here we have only media out. Actually we last time we had video actually. Here you see last time we had dragged this video to our timeline, that's why we had actually media in. But when we come to here second timeline here, you see we open in fusion page. Actually we haven't added any media in, means we did not add any layer. Now if you want to add any layer, you can directly click from here, anything here, video, and you can directly add from here. But I want to add other thing, I want to work in like composition, make some things are very different from I want to use this background. I will click here because I want to want to make a text, very beautiful text. Actually you see nothing is visible here, because you see we didn't connect properly. Actually we have to connect this chain. You see here this chain, this is chain, means this chain is input chain, it will connect to output chains. So just like now our background actually is, we can click one here, it will be visible one, and second it will be visible media out here. Actually background is black here. Now we can change the background from here. We can take any color, like this color. I want to take this yes, this color I want to take. Okay, actually you see we have connected actually here. Now we have background, and what we will do, I want to take a text, I want to write here text. So I will click here, and just click shift here. You see when you click shift on your keyboard, and it will appear like this. You see green, just release here. You see it has connected through merge. There is other way. If you can directly drag text, put here, just without clicking shift, you put here, and you can directly add here. You see directly you will add here, it will appear. There is other way. If you It's easiest way. If you are beginner, we will click here merge. You see now we have clicked from here merge. This is merge actually, such type. This is a effect which are added between two nodes actually, media in, and this is actually background is media in now, this is media out. We will just click to merge here. You see merge, actually this is a background here, this is a foreground, it is a foreground. uh, we will learn this in the next class. In one class we can't our, now we can connect text to here. See foreground here, if you connect to background, it will appear in background here. If you connect, this will be not visible. I want to connect here to our foreground here. No, actually, no, it's not visible. Actually, we didn't write anything. We write our channel resolve for you. Please subscribe, dear friend. Like. No, you see, we have no, it has appeared. Now we can add from here size, color. Like I want this color. Okay, I want to increase the size from here. From here, you can put anywhere. In this way, you can write text here. When we come to our timeline here, we come to any video. For example, I have this video here, and we can use this. You see we have actually this, we have fusion composition we have created, and we can put anywhere. You see here. Now we can decrease the size. You can use this like a lower, like a background intro class. You can very easily make, you can make yourself like intro class, like and use this for your clip directly. For example, how it's possible, I show you. First I come here to fusion, open in fusion. Next time when you want to click open in fusion, it is open already. I wanted to put this, we come to text, we have to click text, because if you want to change anything to text, you can. Now I will click here. Now we can, you see again we can increase decrease from here, and when you come here merge, you see here you can change position like this. In this way you can add keyframing like in this way, and we come to text here. You see in this way we will put this in the middle, and I want to make bigger size. And now we have actually prepared our fusion comp, and when we come here I have timeline 3 here, and you see I delete here. I just want to make space between here. I can use this here actually. In this between clips I can use, and I can decrease gap from here. You see in this way beautiful we can make like a intro class here. We can give sound effect which we learn in the next class. Actually, in this today's class, we learn in the first class the main basic. In the next class, we learn add more basic about how we can add, how we can learn more advanced thing about fusion. Dear friend, open in fusion. We come here in fusion now. We are in fusion here. So we learned how to add text. This is a merge tools. Here we didn't know 3D rendering. Next class we learn 3D rendering. This actually these particles, how we can add this eclipse, this rectangle, how we will use multi merge. All they have purpose. There are here effect will appear, so various type of effect how we can add to our fusion, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.